beautiful view. I'm very happy today.
มีมิ้วทายดิหอมไหมอร่อย so beautiful meal no today what time is it let's order something to eat for our picnic okay
Can order? We are not at home.
Why not? We serve have delivery for 60 kilometers everywhere in Phuket. Let me check promotion. There are top 5 Italian restaurant campaign with free delivery.
Pizza, please.
Okay. Okay, pizza margarita for meal. One and okay and pizza bread. I want to know what is it. Okay, finish order.
You got point again.
Yeah. Okay, now just wait.
Well trained, clean and healthy staff. Very yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Review pizza. And after picnic, we should clean up.